If you want to close all running background apps on Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus, what you can do is, of course, we can open recents, or as it might be known, the list of background apps. So if you use buttons for navigation, then in that case you want to use the square button. This will open the list of background apps. Now, on the other hand, if you use gestures instead, then you want to swipe from the bottom of the phone, over here where we have this indicator, this navigation bar. So you want to swipe from the from the bottom towards the middle, and you want to hold your finger for like half a second, so it looks like this. You will recognize that you are about to open the list of background apps, especially if you can see, for example, just a little bit of the other app that might be open as well. But essentially, like holding for like half a second does the job. So now, once we open the list, in order to close an app, we can swipe an app to the left or right side. As you can see, it says clear at the top of the app preview, which means that, of course, I can close an app like this. You can, of course, also use the X button, which clears everything except for the app that you may have already or just have been to. So if I tap X over here, then in this case, everything will be closed. Now, we can actually change the style of the list of background apps. So if we go to the home screen, then at the bottom we have arrange items in recents. And then in here we can switch from vertically to horizontally. So in this case, you will have, let me actually open a couple of more apps. So in this case, if you open the list of background apps, we actually have this list, and we can swipe up on an app in order to close a single app. And of course, we still have that X that works as well. Subscribe to my channel.